Dolly's cloning was considered a scientific breakthrough because she was the first mammal to be cloned.
It's Eve, everyday virtual entity.
How does this app work? Warm greetings to everyone. Welcome to Sriram Centennial School. I am Amisha Singh
And I am Dilisha Khandelwal.
Every great discovery begins with a thought.
And every thought begins with a question.
From simple sparks to visions so wide,
Young minds explore with science as their guide.
this is more than an exhibition on display.
It is tomorrow taking shape today.
With this spirit of curiosity and innovation,
We welcome you to our science exhibition, where ideas turn into models and questions find answers.
now it's time to move from words to wonders. Let's explore the amazing projects prepared by our friends for the science exhibition. Good morning.
Good morning.
Is this a working model?
Yes.
Can you explain about it?
Yes, as you can see, there is water filled in this area. And when we will pull it, the water will flow. And the motor and pipe present over here will send the water back here so that there is no wastage of water.
Glad to hear about it. Thank you.
Hey, did you notice this model? It looks like an air purifier.
Yeah, I was just about to ask that. With so much air pollution around us, this seems really relevant.
So, can you tell us what exactly this model shows and how it works?
Yeah, sure. This model shows how an air purifier works. It takes in polluted air and makes it fresh and suitable to breathe.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
Thank you.
Wait, this model looks familiar. Isn't this related to Dolly the sheep?
Yes, Dolly was the first animal to be cloned successfully.
So, can you tell us who Dolly was and what this model shows?
Dolly was a sheep and the first mammal to be cloned from an adult body cell. This model shows the process of cloning, where the nucleus from an adult cell is transferred into an egg cell and then placed in the uterus of the surrogate mother to produce a genetically identical organism.
Moving safely in public places can be very challenging for visually impaired people.
That's true. And this blind stick model here seems to offer a solution. So, can you walk us through this model and tell us how it helps a visually impaired person?
This is blind specs and this is blind stick. It has an IR sensor which detects the nearby object, and the buzzer in it makes a sound and alert the people.
First glance, this looks simple, just coins.
But the arrangement suggests there is some mathematical logic behind it.
So, can you explain the mathematical idea behind it used to sort those coins in your model?
Yes, sure, I can. This is an coin sorting machine. The coins can be dropped from here, and the size and shape depending on the coin.
What is the main purpose of this flying drone model, and in what situation can it be more useful?
The main purpose of flying drone model is to deliver medicines in medical emergencies. It can be more useful in areas or situations like accidents, traffic jams, disasters, or remote areas where medical supplies are needed emergently.
What is this model?
This is an aeroleaf.
Where can it be used in India?
It can be used in any overcrowded cities or hospitals or schools, etc.
Why is it better than traditional windmills?
It is really better than other traditional windmills because it produces more energy in less sweat.
That was truly enlightening. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for being a part of our science exhibition journey.
We hope these projects inspired you to think, create, and imagine.
Until next time, keep experimenting.